Let me see outside.
Who?
Them people right there.
I ain't never seen no dog over here. Man, I doubt they looking for a dog. I don't never see no dog over there.
Yeah, they're surely not looking for a dog.
Well, at first I thought it was like a deer. Really? A deer. I thought it was deer. It's how long. Like, I was like, is that a deer?
No.
Can you shut up?
Gotta make a U-turn.
Stop.
Ain't like nobody there.
When we came up over here, they door was open.
Right here?
Uh-huh. They door was open. They had their door open, they screen door, and then like when the dog ran away with us, they closed it.
They got a ring camera too, so I'm sure they'll see my post. Got him started. See? What kind of dog is this? Where? What's over there? I thought that was it. Over here? No, y'all can't go in there though. But you can go on this side, but I don't know. Oh, we gotta walk around then come around.
I think that's just the back end of them cages.
Yeah. Dang, one of them going in. So pretty. Hey, hey girl. Oh, look at the little puppy. She got some pretty hair. Oh, look, they both gone. She gone. He finna be gone. They both finna be gone. Girl. She pretty. They both gone. Me and Dyson come out with hair dryers.
Me and the room looking at the phone that costs $1,000.
Oh wow. That's cool. Sonic hair dryer.
What's this?
I don't have these problems because I have locks. But it better work. I wonder how much it costs. $5.99. Ain't no way, y'all. I guess. What's that? I mean, I know, but I'm talking about this one. American Audio. Authentic American Audio.
DJ!
He right here, baby. Where you gonna put the soundbar in? How you do it? Oh. Press one. Press the button. Maybe press play, I guess. No, I don't know what number that one is. They probably just starting to put them out because it ain't full. No, they didn't. Hear what it said. Why does everybody think I'm green? I'm living my best afterlife, baby.
He said, why everybody think he's green?
This is my third time going through the lock phase, okay? So, some days I don't feel as feminine. Some days I do. It's just one of them days. Like, I just been kind of off. So, today one of them days I don't feel as feminine. You know, we are our biggest critics. So, of course, we're going to pick ourselves apart. But I'm trying to get out of that. I'm just not noticing my piercing ball is missing. Like, bruh. I have to throw on my glasses because my eyes are bothering me today. I really need to make an appointment. It's been overdue. Both my glasses are scratched the heck up. And since I've lost weight, they fit bigger. So, yeah. This is my fit for today, though. Just a green crop top and these jeans. That's about it. Alright, y'all. So I'm in the car. I'm about to pull off, but I need some water. I am parched. Today is my first official day logging and back on track with my calories. You know, this Labor Day weekend, I overate. Last week I overate. Week before that I overate, and I drank this weekend as well. So I only drink once or twice a month, and that's only on special occasions. Outside of that, nothing. 830 calories left. Most likely I won't eat again until I get home later after getting the kids. And then I might pop back out. I don't know yet. But I'm trying to get it to where I eat light in the morning, because eating breakfast had you right back hungry. So it really be like, what's the point? But I'm one of those type of people that if I don't eat in the morning, I get sick. I feel sick to my stomach. Like I have to eat or I get a headache. Anyway, y'all, let me pull on off and get my day started. Hopefully. Some pull through, because my mood is just this morning. I hate it. Alright, y'all, so I said I was done, but I'm just trying to show y'all my setup to the outside so I can see them. That way I can just pull and keep going. Here I color coordinated those, and then these will be customized packages. And then on the floor, which you can't see, are the white bags. I'll pick the camera back up midway through my stop. So I'm gonna knock these business stops out first, and then I'm pick y'all back up. Y'all, I just want to, y'all know them gates that be opening towards you instead of out. That mug almost popped my car. But like I was saying, I hate this route. Even when I drove for them in their trucks, I hated business stops, because it's always some, you gotta go up to some dang elevators, contact security. It's always something. So this is holding me behind. To be honest, I look fat from this angle. It's better. But yeah, I'll be back, y'all. Bro, why is the popo blocking my way? Like, my stop is literally down there. So guess what I'm finna do? Probably finna walk. Cause how am I gonna get around? Ooh, my windshield dirty. This is horrible. Like, I already hate these apartments with a passion to deliver in. Diagonal parking crap. Like the police, I don't like this route. I swear I don't. Like, man. Bruh. Like, I already hate it because you have to walk all the way around just to get to an apartment over here. So, y'all, why I walk all the way down here because he was in my way. And, of course, he moved halfway through my walk. But why I'm supposed to turn on the street? I'm thinking the apartment down here. So, now I got to walk all the way back to my car. Like, you can move for me, but you can move for them. The nerve. The nerve. Now they're saying deliver to the rear door, but it's a lock on the door. Baby. Where is 20? Oh, this route give me the blues, y'all. I hate apartment stops. I hate business stops if they gonna throw it on one route. It's 19. Where's 20? It's 17. 28. 24. Like, why I gotta go all the way back there to get 20? It's ridiculous. That's 5. See, I hate when they be all. I'm just lost at this point. Yeah, kitty, kitty. Where is 20? Like, seriously. This is just one of them downsides of Amazon today. So, if I was to get a double shift today, I would literally get another shift like this later that will work my nerves. With 25 over there, 25 right here. Baby, what's going on here? I'll be back, y'all. Y'all, why would this my car right here? It was right here the whole time. Where's my boy? Get me out of these apartments. I think I have a few more in this same complex. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I want an Oreo cookie so bad. I want an Oreo so bad. I want some Oreos so bad. Like, Mother Nature cravings. I'm telling y'all. It's so hard around this time. Usually, I'm lenient around this time when I get cravings. Only because my face is just... And my hair, what is going on? But yeah, I give myself a little grace around the time of the month. But ooh, it's so tempting. I'm trying to be one Oreo won't hurt, but if I eat one, I'm gonna want two. And if I eat two, I'm gonna want three, 4, 5, 6, turn it to 10. Yeah, we're not gonna do it. But ooh. Alright, I'm hot. Look at me. Let's get back to it. Alright, so this is the last apartment stop. Let's knock the rest out. So y'all, I have 19 more stops, or 20. The time is now 6:04. I get off at 7. Let's see if we can rush through this thing. Alright, I'm gonna check back with y'all when I'm done. Alright, y'all, so I did get done in time. On time. Now listen, don't judge me. Don't judge me. I got the Oreos. And then I had got these her and some gummy worms. Yeah. Don't judge me. Hey y'all. Just got out the shower. I'm about to lay it down, watch some TV, and catch up on my fave YouTubers before the TV be watching me. I want that watermelon too, y'all, but I'm not gonna do that because when I eat watermelon before I go to sleep, I be real full and my stomach be hurt. So yeah, I say that for breakfast. But I'll catch y'all on the next one. Good night.